Hello people, and today we're going to make this radar chart. Yeah, it's usually used in game stats. Well, in my opinion, well, I've seen a lot in those cases, like in game, yeah, in game stats like speed, agility, HP, regen, defense, and other kind. There's a lot of them. So we got our standard HTML start here. We got what is it, Bootstrap, the beautiful stuff. We got the Chart.js, obviously, and our jQuery, just in case we need jQuery, because I love. Well, it's kind of old school, but still versatile. So we made our script. It's pretty standard with data config and my chart. Well, you make our first constant data, then instead inside there is labels with pretty standard stuff. Speed, no, attack, defense, then HP, speed, agility, and 4. We need 5, right? Agility and regen. Yeah, that we should do it. Then we need data sets. Yeah, that's then the curly gets an object. Yeah, don't forget the commas. They're pretty much that. They're pretty much annoying sometimes when you forgot to give a comma in each method. Yeah, luckily we're using Visual Studio Code. When you didn't provide comma, it's at an error. It gives an error. It gives a warning, at least. And the data, let's give it like 90, 58, yeah, 5, 6, and 44. And then border, color, close. Yeah, we need a flat UL color because I love that. Yeah, we need in RGBA format because it's, as you can see in here, it's a bit transparent, so obviously we're going to use RGBA format. Drawing color, it's the same, but the A, the RGB we change to 0.5. Yeah, I think that's it. Then we make the second constant, which is the config for the charts, the type radar, because it's a radar chart, obviously. Data equals data, then options. Alright, maybe I'll explain that options later. Then our standard my chart equals new chart document get element by ID. You know what? We don't really use jQuery. Yeah, we don't really use jQuery, so we might want to remove that. Config to keep things simple. Let's try it out. Now, as you can see, here is our chart with the value of 90, as you can see here, and 50 here, 50 defense, 45 HP, 36 speed, 44 agility, I'm sorry, 44 agility, 1 2 3 4 5 6, oh, it's 6. Shouldn't know that. 75. Looks like this. Well, the problem with this is, what if we want to start the value from 0 and ends with maximum of 100? As you can see in here, it's 90 at the top, at 90 at the maximum, because there is all there, the maximum value is 90 and the minimum is around 36, so it begins on, I think it's 13 here, so we add inside the config constant is options. Is it option or option without? I think it's without the s, as far as I can remember. Then scales, pretty annoying. The R, and the min, set the min to 0, max to 100. I think it should do it. No, something wrong. Oh yeah, it's option with an S. As you can see, it's begin from 0, 10, 20, 30, etc., and ends up with a maximum of 100. Well, if you want to add stat player 1, if you want to add second data, just copy paste. Well, it's basically an array of objects, so yeah, let's 88, 56, 64, 33, 46, and 22. The color of orange instead of blue, and we change that to 3.5. It's overlapping, but it's, yeah, I don't think orange is the, oh shit, sorry, orange is perfect combination. Let's try, I think it's yellow. Yeah, let's try yellow. I think it's better to be yellow than red. As you can see, it's overlapping. Begin with 0, the region step player 2 is 22, 56 and 44. So yeah, this is the tutorial of, maybe it's too much. Yeah, it's too close. It's trying to 55. No. 56. Yeah, and the agility to 50. Yeah, as you can see, it's mostly used to visualize which aspect of the data is better than another. Well, sometimes I found it in between comparison of two specific sets of data, like CPU, the VGA, in the game also, like, characters, tanks, planes, gaming stuff. You compare to stuff. It's basically used to compare one or more stuff. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.